Is your Credential Security Support Provider apps not working because of the Credssp Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To start our guide for Credssp Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Credssp Library, the Credential Security Support Provider. It handles localized delegation of user credentials for secure remote desktop RDP connections. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since Credssp Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Credssp library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Credssp Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Credssp Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Credssp Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.